Dear students, we are learning triangles. Already we have discussed about basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, triple S similarity, triple A similarity. Today we are going to learn SAS, side angle side similarity criterion and its proof. Keep listening to the class till the end to get the concept well. And also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel for further videos. First of all, let us read the statement. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Children, you might have noticed that I have taken two different colors here, one for given and the other RTP. These two will be available in the statement itself. Let us now take two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In these two triangles, it is said that angle A and angle D both are equal. One angle of one triangle is equal to the one angle of other triangle, and also their included sides are proportional. What are the included sides here? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. He says that included side of the angles are proportional. So first let us mention these as given. I am writing here given. So what is given, children, here? In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in both the triangles he gave that angle A is equal to angle D, and also AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Angles are equal and their included sides are proportional. Now let us present RTP required to prove. What is he asking us to prove? He is asking us to prove that two triangles, they are ABC and triangle DEF. We need to prove that these two triangles are similar. So children, we will go for construction now. Here also construction is same as we have done in triple S and triple A similarity. What did we do there? We have taken 2 points called P and Q and drawn this line PQ such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So let us mention that. Draw PQ such that, what are they? AB is equal to DP and also AC is equal to DQ. So construction part also completed. Now we shall go for the most important part of the theorem, that is proof. In this proof, children, first we will take these two triangles which I am shading now, triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. What do you say about these two triangles? Here AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ, because we have constructed in that way, and their included angles, this angle and this angle both are, equal because he gave. So by using side, angle, side congruency, children, here don't be confused, we are proving SAS similarity and using SAS congruency. So by using SAS congruency, you can say that both the triangles are congruent. So let us present it. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, these yellow shaded triangles. In these two triangles, AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. How did you get this? Since construction, because of construction you can mention it. And then angle A is equal to angle D. How did you get this result? This is already given in the statement. So by which congruency we discussed? By SAS congruency criterion. Congruency criterion. What can you say, children? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Children, we have proved that both the triangles are congruent. When two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts must be equal. So by CPCT, CPCT stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So children, what are the corresponding parts you can take? You can say AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, BC is equal to PQ, and angles are also equal. But I will not take all this stuff. I am just going to take these two angles. Angle B is equal to angle P. Same way, angle C is equal to angle Q. I am taking just these two because I need them badly here. What is that? Angle B is equal to angle P, comma angle C is equal to angle Q. Let us name this as first equation. Children, now we will take this given part. What is given here? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. This side by side is equal to side by side. We will take this result and proceed. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. I have taken it from given. Then now this AP is equal to what? DP, and this AC is equal to DQ. So I can replace these sides. AB I am replacing as DP by DE as it is. AC I am replacing with DQ and DF as it is. You can also mention here the reason. Why did you? Because AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So children, let us observe this ratio. DP by DE, DP by DE. So part of the line by whole line is equal to DQ by DF, part of the line by whole line. So what is part of the line by whole line? It's the corollary of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem is part of the line by part of the line, and corollary of basic proportionality theorem is part of the line by whole line. So by corollary of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that this PQ is parallel to EF. Now PQ is parallel to EF. So children, finally we have proved that both the lines are parallel. When both the lines are parallel, what is your opinion about this angle F, angle E and angle P? Both must be equal. Angle F and angle Q, they must also be equal because they are corresponding angles. So let us mention. What is that? Angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. This is second equation. You can also mention here. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. So children, in the first equation B was equal to P and now P is equal to E. Thereby you can say that this B and E are equal. Same way, in the first equation C was equal to Q and now Q is equal to what? F. Thereby this C and F both are equal. So let us mention it. From 1 and 2, from first and second equation, we can say that angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and we anyhow know that angle A is equal to angle D because it is given. So now children, all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding angles of other triangle. So by which property or which similarity criterion? AAA similarity criterion. So by AAA similarity criterion, by AAA similarity, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So this is how we prove SAS similarity criterion, side angle side, and we'll also be using this criteria to solve various problems.